Hi guys, welcome to Marketing Software World, and today's video is about Cliptasia tool. We are going to discuss about this tool, all the reviews of this tool, how to use this tool, why you should use this tool, and what are the benefits of using this tool. So Cliptasia is nothing but a video selling system that creates sensational bite-sized videos and gets traffic for local businesses who want to make a powerful impact on their audience for massive sales. Now, when I talk about a video selling system, it allows you to create a video that as an agency you can sell to your clients, and that too with license, right? So this is a benefit you get here when you use this tool. So it has two versions of this tool. One is for people who do not have agency, another one is for the people who want to resell the videos. So we will be talking about both of them. So here are these two types of Cliptasia tools. One is personal, one is commercial. So what are the things those you get in personal Cliptasia, and what are the things you do not get in personal Cliptasia? Let's have a look of it. So here are the things what you get in both of them, but the uncommon thing or the special thing in the commercial Cliptasia is here you can have a commercial license to sell your videos for 100% profit. So let's say if a client comes to you and says I need to get a video done, you can create a video for the client at 100% charge for yourself, because you are granted the permission by this Cliptasia tool so that you can create the commercial videos for your clients. The second bonus what you get in the commercial license is newbie friendly, done for your video selling system, right? So it is nothing but if there is a new person who is not aware about any video marketing skill or video editing skill, can easily create the video, and you can easily sell that video again, right? So then full customer sales system here you do not get in the personal license. Then you have professional video portfolio website to sell your videos. This website you are not going to get in the personal Cliptasia package. Then here you get print ready graphic suite. Here you do not get it. Social media marketing graphics, you do not get it in the personal one. Then you have done for you professional profile template. So this is an important profile template which saves a lot of time that you do not get in the personal package. And the last bonus what you get here is client getting onboarding and getting paid email templates. These are again important templates. Those consume a lot of time. If you buy the commercial license, even if you are a person or an agency, it doesn't matter, but you must have the commercial license, because there's no much difference in the price. So you must be thinking now, what is the price? So this is the price you get it for, right? So this is the price you get it for. Your personal license you are getting for $28, almost $28, and the commercial license you get for $30. So there is no much difference here, right? So within, you just need to spend extra $2 and you get a commercial license. And that's the reason I'm recommending you to buy the commercial license itself. So you get all these benefits, also those you are not getting in the personal Cliptasia tool, right? The actual value of this tool is $1,955, but that you get in $30 only. And these are the benefits, like this is the price distribution of this tool of $1,955, but you only get it in $30 if you buy today. So I was talking about some bonus, exclusive bonus when you buy a commercial license of Cliptasia. So the number one bonus is you can sell the video for 100% profit. The second one is you can do whatever you want to for your agency website. So professional video portfolio website to sell your videos, you get something like this, right? And you can showcase your videos to sell. Then you get print ready graphic suite. So this is the kind of thing you get here, in that you have the invoice template, you have all the other templates available, including your business cards, including your brochures, everything is there. right? It is 100% customizable logo, letterhead, business cards, brochure, flyers, and invoice template you get. And then you have social media marketing graphics. These are the types of graphics you get, and you can just replace the logos and colors, and you can get it done for your own brand. So you get the graphic tool also and the video tool as well. So this is important. This is an important benefit of getting it today. So now how to use it step by step, let's discuss that. In the step 1, you need to select a template. Once you sign into the Captiva tool, you are here. If you would have used Canva tool, this is very similar to the tool. You come here, you simply choose from 30 different types of templates. You drag and drop things from here, and then you go to the next step. Then step 2, you customize the content. You simply drag and drop elements from here. You are seeing at the right hand side there are different types of elements. From here you can fetch that element to the main screen, and you can add that in the slide here, right? So it's very simple, right? These are all visual element, and you can easily drag and drop things from here. This is in step 2. So let's say if I have to put a coffee mug here near this bill, then I'll simply choose that coffee mug and put it here, right? So it's simple drag and drop, and once I am done with that coffee mug, in the next slide it is looking like a very normal slide. So I can still play the video, and then this coffee mug would come here automatically. So I can tell the story, any story what is there in my mind can be told using the tool. You would also have options to add the sounds there. These are the different types of sounds you can add in your video, right? Because in all the sales videos and all the explanatory videos, you need sound to grab the attention of the people. You can edit the branding or delete any of the slide what you want, and because everything is given in the template, it is very easy for you to delete and add something, and then you can also delete the branding and add your branding there. And in step 3, you simply go and click on publish. Once you publish the video, you have that video in a particular chosen format, right? And then you get this particular tool in 200 languages, and you can sell any video in 200 languages and earn 100% profit out of it, right? So it's a very good tool an agency should have. If you are an agency, definitely you should go and buy this tool.
Just click on any of the slides that I want to be able to change.
Now in this video we'll see how this tool actually works. So this is the demo video what we have brought here. So whatever I have explained, you can see how does it work. Simply we need to drag and drop elements here, choose from the different types of
from a variety of different
drop downs, and let's say if I need this coffee mug, let's put the coffee mug here. Just adjust it by stretching the sides, and when you put it here, you just have to click on different types of elements again.
Effects, graphics, illustrations, overlays, shapes, and even social icons. I can also edit the text. Font.
Now this is the template where I have to put my text, right? Headlines and different types of fonts. Everything is available here.
I can add a fade effect, and I can add a shadow or a glow to.
So before you go ahead and buy this tool, you see how does this tool work, so that it becomes very easy for you to work on this tool. So this is how I am adding the
and if I have my own visual
sound here,
sound elements, I can actually
upload them and add
to the project, and you can edit the branding.
Once that is done,
if you choose to do that for whatever
now
business
you have
making the videos for.
This template. You can change whatever you want. You can edit whatever you want. You can edit even the branding.
I can also go down and change how long each slide displays for, so I can change the length of my video, and I can even add zoom effects to the background. I can add additional slides or clone slides, so I can make videos that have exactly
if I need to change that 20% off, I can do that. If I want to change the class, I can do that. If I want to change the text, I can do that.
Coffee, and I can change this to Main Street Coffee. I can go ahead and change this to their address, or their contact information.
It's a very
and
simple
I
tool
can
to
even
use.
upload their
You are
logo.
seeing that how
I
simple
just
it is.
drag
It's
and
just
drop
drag
that
and
into
drop
the designer,
and put in
and
the
I go ahead and
things.
click on that, and I can add their logo in there as well. I'm just going to click render to render the video in real time. Cliptasia is an easy to use drag and drop video studio that makes production easy so you can make videos instantly and sell them for huge profits. You can even auto-translate the videos into 200 languages so you can sell to
Once the
international
tool
markets
is
and even make more.
ready,
You can preview the finished
you
video
can easily
and then you can
fetch all
post it
the
to
video
social
what you
media or
have created
download
so far. So
in
it
just
is
one
showing
click.
that this is how the
If I
video
want to
is
download it, I
there
just
in the
click there.
demo
If I want to
itself,
post it,
and once you
all I have to
click on
do is click
download,
here.
it gets
I just
downloaded
enter the
here,
message that I want.
and you can
And
give
if
the
I want
name
to
to
put in a
this
link
particular
here,
video,
I
and
can put
that's
in
it.
a link to send traffic wherever I want the traffic to go.
So further, the video output you can get in 480 pixel, and you can also get it in HD and different ratios. You will have the full control and customization over it, and these videos are actually going to sell. So if you are from the marketing background, you can actually add the slides in a proper manner and proper sequence so that you can actually sell any product or service through your content. So these are the offer price, and if you want to buy this in a very good offer, you can click on the link which is given in the description. Once you click on the link and you buy the product, you can also send us the email to get additional 5% discount. Once you send us the screenshot, we will communicate over the email and we will send you the 5% additional discount when you buy this tool. If you have any query related to this tool, you can ask us in the comment box. We will be replying back. You can also ask anything in the email so that we can communicate over the email as well. We also provide consultation over these softwares, these tools. If you want to get any kind of consultation regarding any software which is uploaded on our YouTube channel, you can give us you can send us an email asking for the consultation. We'll get into the we'll get into the call or a Zoom call, and we will have a discussion, a proper discussion. Thank you so much, guys. Please watch our other software reviews as well. Thank you so much.